So another one bites the dust. This little job here, we've got two mixed circuits and one unmixed. So the unmixed is doing tail rails, and that little arrangement there is all the tail rails coming down all in 15mm, and I've got the circuits for 2 floors on one mixer and the ground floor on another mixer. Got the Viessmann 300 cylinder here, so got a pipework coming around that to these drain cocks. I've started using just ordinary isolation valves now, and come straight off those with a hose. They seem to work very, very well. We've got Wi-Fi enabled bronze pump here, so PIRs in each of the bathrooms and the kitchen, and there's a little receiver inside the little white box there, goes on to that, and it's also connected to the boiler. That's where it gets its power source from, and also for the Legionella program. So when the boiler runs the Legionella program, it will override the PIR system. Also, if you program the boiler, it will run on the program on the boiler rather than on the PIR system. Could be configured a couple of different ways actually, but that's the way we did it. Got the drivers there. Now this job I was supposed to have a little bit more space than this, well I thought I was. It's the old communication issues again. The customer thought this is what I had, and I thought I had one of these nice long big walls. So only just got enough space to fit it in. Can just get to that. And just got the expansion vessels right on the side there. Originally I wanted to put isolation valves in all these pipes. Now I didn't do this pipe work at the top there, that was their plumber on site. I did the first fix, but they're a little bit close together to get all the valves and drain cocks in that I wanted to do. So I wanted to have like a proper manifold to control the house, but at the end of the day the constraints, space constraints have made that not possible for us. So other than that, it's just the same old that I do all the time. Viessmann boiler, plate heat exchanger there, and for my hydraulic separation, 2 mixed, 1 unmixed. Going off to my systems there, Viessmann 300 with cell 300, and secondary circulation. Getting a bit boring really, isn't it? Doing the same thing all the time. Gonna have to look for something new. But for now, we're going to be doing more and more of these. I think got a few people lined up to do some more for, and it seems very, very popular. People are putting the underfloor heating in. Oh, this is a good point. I didn't put the underfloor heating in here, the other company did. And they've put the room stats in and everything, but I've just disconnected the heads and there's no power onto that. I don't need, it doesn't do anything. If the customer finds that you want some kind of control over it, they can be reconnected and turned on, but really shouldn't be needed. That's it. Nice house, very nice system. Should do them proud. Water softener just plumbed in. That's don't know much about it really. I haven't commissioned it. I've just plumbed it in, ready for the customer. There's some bits missing, so when those bits arrive, we'll be able to connect that up. Okay, I hope that helps.